Welcome to Local to Global India. Today we are presenting about JSW Steel. JSW Steel Coated Product Limited is India's leading manufacturer and exporter of coated steel with a capacity of 1 MTPA, a 100% subsidiary of its present company JSW Steel Limited is constantly working towards achieving a leadership position in the market and is focused on achieving customer satisfaction. With our mission and values to nurture and support the growth of our country in place, we began a journey towards creating and developing an environment that speaks volumes. Since the inception of JSW SCPL in June 2013, our mission remains the same: better India every day. With the largest product portfolio in steel, we are India's largest steel exporter, shipping to over 100 countries across 5 continents. Over the last 35 years, we have been at the forefront of science cutting edge technology, laying the groundwork. Starting with a single plant in 1982, we are now India's leading manufacturer of value added and high grade steel products. With plants in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra, we have the capacity to produce 18 million tons per annum MTPA, paving a better tomorrow. By staying on the cusp of change and maintaining the best in class standards, we aim to revolutionize steelmaking. Now you can witness the true marvel of engineering at our state of the art facility at Dolby with Nat Geo on Extreme Tech JSW Blast Furnace. Share price and shareholding pattern for JSW Steel Limited are like this. Last traded price was 361.95. 52-week low was 132.50. 52-week high was 376.20. The day range was on higher side 364.00. The day range of on lower side was 346.15. Shareholding summary for JSW Steel Limited are like this. Promoters are holding 44.1%, MF holdings are rest, FII's holdings are 13.3%, other institutions are rest, public holdings are 35.7%, others are rest. Recent news for JSW Steel. JSW Steel has reported there are no new coronavirus cases at its plant. Vijayanagar works in Bellary, Karnataka. Vinod Noval, Deputy Managing Director, JSW Steel, said the company has successfully managed to flatten the COVID infection curve at the plant with no new cases reported in the recent past. Bringing the infection under control is an outcome of concerted efforts by employees at Vijayanagar Works in last few months. At the same time, we continue to stay alert as the fight against the coronavirus has not ended. JSW Steel will continue to keep a close vigil and follow strict safety guidelines issued by government to keep employees safe, he said. The company had converted its Jindal Sanjeevani Hospital and OP Jindal Training Center in Bellary into full-fledged COVID-19 care centers and kept the most critical workforce inside the plant. It also ensured safety of all other employees to work from home facility besides strict adherence to health and safety guidelines. A fever center was set up within the steel plant's premises to check and detect early symptoms of ILI, influenza-like illness, or SARI, severe acute respiratory infection. JSW Steel continues to undertake stringent safety measures to keep its plant and township safe through regular sanitization of offices, shop floors, company vehicles, buses, and common areas like ATMs at regular intervals, thermal screening at entry, and use of face masks are mandatory. All employees and their family members are encouraged to download RBSetu app to stay informed on COVID risk.